राज्यात 191 पंचायती आसात. तातूंतल्या सद्याक 189 पंचायती वेंचणुकेक वतल्यो. 2 पंचायती काळांतरान मागीर फुडें वेंचणुकेक वयतल्यो. MRF सुविधा सगळ्या पंचायतींक गरजेची, मात सगळ्याच पंचायती कडेन जागो आसाच अशें ना. म्हजें सपन आसा की गोंयांत सगळ्याक MRF सुविधा जावची आनी गोंय नितळ तशेंच पाचवेचार जावचें म्हण पंचायत मंत्री मोविन उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर दाबोळच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
We have got 191 panchayats. Elections we are holding for 189 panchayats. Okay, those other 2 panchayats we will be holding in other time, because those people that time had gone to court. They could not be held along with the other panchayats, so we have to hold with a gap. Similarly, MRF is a facility which has to be there with every panchayat, but you know the availability of land is not there in every panchayat. Some panchayats, what they have done, out of fear of the courts, they have shown some land. That land neither belongs to them, neither the party is willing to give it to the concerned panchayat, whether it is a private party or whether it is Komdas or others. And to complete the necessary formalities, it is easy for anyone to say that no, this has to be done. But I have to also understand their difficulties, so I have given them more time. But in due course of time, I expect all panchayats to fall in line, and most of them are on the way to having the MRF facility. My dream project should be the dream project of every Goan to clear garbage, keep Goa clean and green. That is the emphasis. Now you have one in Saligaon, you have one in Kakora coming up, you have one in Verna coming up. Sansada also, the Honorable Minister concerned says that there also he will be having two smaller plants. Why this is? Because it is the need of the hour.